Welcome to Celine and Cali's World. Before I start this video, please subscribe, like, and share, and turn on the bell so you can notify newest video like this. So, kakagaling ko lang sa school at pumunta kami sa SM. Sana bibili kami shoes pero wala kaming mahanap ng shoes. Kaya bumili kaming candy and ito, egg surprise. So, wait lang guys. So, ayan. So, ito, guys. Tapos, ewan ko kung asan yung zipper. Ayun pala, nakikita nyo. Ayun, no, may line. Wala na palang zipper. Line na lang. Ayun, no. So, guys. So, wait lang. So, ayun na. So, ito, pink and heart candies and ibang shape pa. So, ito pa. Ito pa yung nakuha natin. Unicorn, pink, love, nakasabi. Ito sila 6 all pwede makolek. At saka